channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the Doll Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this simple smoky eye using our new double play shadow and liner sticks. It comes in a pack of 2, as you can see, but today I'm going to be using the shade Starry-Eyed. This is a really pretty graphite gray shadow with a black liner that is perfect to get you that simple smoky eye. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so for this simple smoky eye, I'm going to be using our double play shadow and liner stick. These are so easy and so awesome to create the perfect smoky eye in under 10 minutes. So I'm using the shade Starry-Eyed, and as you can see, this cream to powder formula is just so smooth. It gives you the pigmentation of a cream, but it's also blendable like a powder would be. So I'm just going to dip it in the little cap, which is awesome. It's no mess at all. And I'm going to start by lining the lid. And then we're going to end up smoking it out. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to blend it in with a brush just to kind of fade it outward and give it that really smoky look. And make sure you diffuse it up to the brow bone. Now I'm going to go for the other side. Now I'm going to go for the other side. Again, I'm just blending it all over my lid, trying to get that soft, smoky look. Now I'm going to smoke it out on the lower lash line for a really sultry, smoky eye. Now I'm going to be taking the liner part, and it's just a really creamy black liner, and I'm going to line the top of my lash line. It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to end up smoking it out anyway, so don't worry about getting that perfect line. I'm going to add a little bit of a wing as well. And now taking the same brush I used before, I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. Now for the other side, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to add a little bit of a wing. And just line my lash line. Again, just smoking it out a little bit so it doesn't have to be perfect. And just going over a little bit. And there we go, we have our really simple, easy smoky eye that literally took not even 5 minutes. I'm going to finish off this look with our Effort Lash Mascara. Now that we completed the eyeshadow look, I'm now going to be using our Hydrolux lip liner in the shade Star, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm not going to go too overboard on this because we're going to be applying a lip velvet on top. Now I'm going to be taking our lip velvet in the shade So Shy. This is a really pretty nude pink color. I really love this formula because it's so soft on the lips. It's really easy to apply and it doesn't dry out your lips at all, which is something very rare when using a liquid lip. So I love this to just throw in my purse. Alright, and that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and we'll talk to you soon. Bye!